and led by Captain Gaurav Pandey of the 871 Medium Regiment, the Dhanush gun system, capable of firing a shell within 12 seconds and swiftly changing position to evade enemy counteraction. And now, going past a saluting base, presenting a formidable combination of a long-range precision and overwhelming firepower, the Suryastra and the BrahMos weapon system. Lieutenant Mehak Bhati is leading the Suryastra Universal Rocket Launcher System. And following the Suryastra, the BrahMos weapon system led by Captain Animesh Rohela of the 344 Missile Regiment.
Rolling past the saluting days are two formidable pillars of India's air defense architecture, the Akash weapon system and the medium-range surface-to-air missile MRSAM. The Akash weapon system led today by Captain Aniket Ocha of 128 Air Defense Missile Regiment. Following the Akash is MRSAM, also known as Abhr weapon system, led today by Captain Tanik Sharma of 501 Air Defense Missile Regiment. The motto of the regiment, Agratah Abhr, Vijay Sarvatra, ever ahead, victory everywhere. Akash, India's first indigenously developed surface-to-air missile system, designed to counter a wide spectrum of aerial theaters. And now, Drone Shakti, Eagle on the Arm, captained by Divyojit Mukherjee. Developed by the Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineers, the elite internal technical force, Drone Shakti, enables fabrication and sustenance of drone in forward areas. Showcase the top, Drone Shakti are the flagship indigenous platforms conceived and developed by various commands. These include engine-powered Kharga Chakra, Shakti Prahar, Navastra, Baz, Sudarshan, Dhruv Prahar and Adrushyam along with counter-drone system Prabal. And behind is the Integrated Operational Center, commemorating national victory during Operation Sindoor and inspiring the youth. The platform depicts conduct of operation in brief, led by Captain Samira Zenat Batar, showcasing the entire nation's effort in its success. A blend of Virasat, Vividta or Vikas.
भारतीय सशस्त्र सेनाओं के इंटीग्रेटेड ऑपरेशनल सेंटर के बाद अब बारी है कर्तव्य पथ पर भारतीय थल सेना के मूक सैनिकों की, यानी पशु दस्ते का स्वागत हो रहा है। हिमालय और सियाचिन के उच्च दुर्गम पर्वतों पर ये मूक योद्धा हमारे योद्धाओं के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर काम करते हैं। वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की भावना को आत्मसात करते हिमालयी क्षेत्रों में तैनात हमारे विशेष सैनिक हिम योद्धाओं की इस टुकड़ी का नेतृत्व कर रही हैं कैप्टन हर्षिता यादव। हमें इन पर गर्व है। सबसे आगे हैं बैक्ट्रियन